star. We're taking over this ring. Come on. Yeah. Yo, you ready? Punching all the way. Everybody just move. Let us get out of the way. Losing some priority for self-made is the answer. Take that. That is the punch of the day. There's absolutely no one, nobody stopping our way. Just move. Let us get out of the way. Losing some priority for self-made is the answer. Take that. That is the punch of the day. There's absolutely no one, nobody stopping our way. Starting from down below, way to the bottom, drowning underwater, trying to get some air. I got it. Gasping for more of the game, for the fame, the last man standing, going to the top of the chain. I can real recognize fake. You know, not just the real, this ain't some advertising game. I ain't advertising, mate. Think just telling truth to your face. Not some wanna be thinking the innocent, eventually losing the case, losing the race. I'm doing my thing. The championship on nobody's pushing the main. I'm jumping over here and there. Obstacles are everywhere. However, I'm a penetrator with my thumping kicks and snares. I swear that the potential's gonna guide me to the spotlight. Despite the challenges around, trophies waiting at the end of the line. Time for my uppercut, bam, cause my time to shine. Punching my way, running all day, loving the game, acting tough and maintaining. I'm just punching my way, running all day, loving the game, acting tough and maintaining. I'm just punching my way, running all day, loving the game, acting tough and maintaining. I'm just punching my way, I'll be running all day. Hey, you know what it is. Everybody just move. Let us get out of the way. Losing some priority for self-made is the answer. Take that. That is the punch of the day. There's absolutely no one, nobody stopping our way. Just move. Let us get out of the way. Losing some priority for self-made is the answer. Take that. That is the punch of the day. There's absolutely no one, nobody stopping our way.
Yo, you must be lusting for defeat if you rushing up to me. I don't get up to brush my teeth for nothing less than a G. You bout to catch this L, you know this letter well. I turn that boxing ring into your jail cell. Hit him with a left, right hook. Before you even step in the ring, I know that you shook. I gotta take your mind out like a to-go lunch. I make sure you defeated before I even throw a punch.
Me in the ring,
I hit him fast and I hit him hard.
me in the ring,
If you don't duck, I'ma get your jaw.
me in the ring,
You think you tough, boy, you think you raw.
me in the ring,
Hit you so hard that your mama fall.
me in the ring,
I hit him fast and I hit him hard.
me in the ring,
If you don't duck, I'ma get your jaw.
me in the ring,
You think you tough, boy, you think you raw.
me in the ring,
Hit you so hard that your mama fall. Some of y'all got this real cute dance routine. I just go straight for your nose like a surgery team. I be hurting them, I make they body swerve and lean. And all you do is spew words like a nerd on the screen. I'm a real life hard hitter, a jaw driller. My fist is fast as a bullet, it's like my arm is a trigger. I don't have the luxury of defeat. Don't understand what I mean? Then come see me inside of the ring.
you can come see me, 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 go back on the road, you can come see me, you don't have no hope, you can come see me, you can come see me, me in the ring,
I hit him fast and I hit him hard.
me in the ring,
If you don't duck, I'ma get your jaw.
me in the ring,
You think you tough, boy, you think you raw.
me in the ring,
Hit you so hard that your mama fall.
me in the ring,
I hit him fast and I hit him hard.
me in the ring,
If you don't duck, I'ma get your jaw.
me in the ring,
You think you tough, boy, you think you raw.
me in the ring,
Hit you so hard that your mama fall.
Oh yeah. So what, you wanna be a boxing star, huh? Well, you know you gotta beat me first. And I ain't let nobody beat me. Ain't no chumps up in here. You step in my ring, you get dealt with. I'ma show you how we do it over here. Yo, let's go.
Bright lights, yeah, long flights, There's nothing compared to the training in my life. I wake up every day ready to get to that moment, cause soon as I step in that ring, guaranteed I'ma own it. Brother, I'll tell you I'm on it. Back you up in that corner. I don't float like a butterfly, but I sting like a hornet. So to my opposition, I hope you paying attention, cause I'm coming straight for your mouth like I'm somebody's dentist. I'ma go get it, better believe I'm a minute. Soon as I finish winning my competition, I'm getting riches. So listen very closely, if you wanna proceed, I hit you so hard I turn you into the letter O, G. Now I ain't playing, I don't know who you facing. I'm building my reputation as I'm beating your face in. This my invitation, accepted, you in trouble. I see you in the ring and let's get ready to rumble.
Let's go.
Rumble, 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 rumble.
I am triumphant, all I hear is trumpets stomping. Every time I walk in the ring, the public loves it. I'm always ready to jump in, ready to put my gloves in and sling you round the ring like a mother-loving muffs. Get it? Word to my mama, I'ma honor my promise to give all you boxes this corners that's causing all of your trauma. Got a lot in your pockets, how much are all of your doctors? Cause all of y'all are gon' call them after I knock out your cartilage. I see champion boxers, the best they can be, but their current skill is nothing compared to the future me. So I keep chasing my dream, keep making them scream, keep it up in the ring, keep making them boxers lean. I take the world with my bare hands, hit my opponent so hard I think they got stroked by a bear's hand. Pause, or y'all in trouble. I see you in the ring, now let's get ready to rumble.
Rumble, 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 rumble.
Shot, don't let him blow ya. You heard? Yeah. I'm struggling like a box. Birds trying to box. Round up the round, bridge you up. Man, now I lose that born as a rider. Okay, let's go.
Got a chance of spitting rhymes, but only never performance. Started from the bottom, I can prove it, there rhetoric. Yo, I've been documentary, shattering rumors. My flow so flat, it's the gold, just keep it shining like the trophies. Woo. Yeah, you gotta skip tutorial. You never been a book, it's me, you like it like notorious. I got nothing, my steps are light, gotta speed, cause I flow like a butterfly, sting like a bee, can't knock the hustle. My life was spoiled like an uncle by my rhyme, busting straight, punching instruction for ill or something. Discriminate man of the year, yeah. Brand new champ, but for here, no feel. I don't complain, just a kind of blessing. I've been champion till I don't lose out of question. Another day of trouble, but I still love rhymes. A documentary of ghetto superstar. Struggle like a boxer, word trying to box me. Round after round, bring you up. Man, I lose yet, born as a rider. Struggle like a boxer, word trying to box me. Round after round, bring you up. Man, I lose yet, born as a rider. Writing rhymes are real and everybody else have in a dream. Wake up in the AM, fit my verses to the beat. Big deal, big crib, big wheels. Before my IP, I got shining 3Bs. And benefit the visa. When I pedal you, maybe silence is a response. I grew up in the project here in Sharon. From police got black ambitions as a rider, but I'm still here. Still fighting, still running in real. Fly high you ever seen before. My state of mind now a clinic where we illustrate through in the life. It comes every day like a real lesson. Imagination gave me wings, breaking 3 dimensions. Above the planet, above the best, I'm the bestest. Who's the nicest now? Tell me who's the living legend. Another day of struggle, but I still love rhymes. A documentary of ghetto superstar. Struggle like a boxer, bird trying to box me. Round after round, bring you up. Man, I lose yet, born as a rider. Struggle like a boxer, bird trying to box me. Round after round, bring you up. Man, I lose yet, born as a rider.
and leave out all the rest. I got your back, you've been doing it right, alright. I got your back, go and leave out all the rest. I got your back, you've been doing it right, alright. Thousands of miles we apart, thousands of times we were not aware of each other, but gathered here. I better be proud, get ready. Thousands of miles we apart, thousands of times we were not aware of each other, but gathered here. I better be proud, get ready. I've been here without someone, been here all alone. Had no one to stand by. My feet got cold as ice, like a little sprout got covered underneath the surface. Need a light, need a life, need to find us, wanna shine and be the one that I used to find. And you came out of nowhere, held your arm around my shoulder. You can redefine it, breathe, it feels like you all the way. Day and night, find so you and a vibe, right beside. Invite me to your palace, got plenty of hours to write up a timeline. I got your back, go and leave out all the rest. I got your back, you've been doing it right, alright. I got your back, go and leave out all the rest. I got your back, you've been doing it right, alright. Thousands of miles we apart, thousands of times we were not aware of each other, but gathered here. I better be proud, get ready. Thousands of miles we apart, thousands of times we were not aware of each other, but gathered here. I better be proud, get ready.
Come on. 모두들 수고하셨습니다. 처음 시작은 아주 작은 띵에서 시작해 점점 딥해지는 깊이. 항해를 떠나 코코섬의 로그를 찍고 득득한 바다로 나가기 위해 동료들을 모은 시간은 4시 지나 쌈쌈을 가리키는 분침. 경고할 줄 알았지, 시작과는 달라져 버려. 다들 숨죽이며 눈치. 게임은 시작됐어, 떠나버린 몇몇. 사기는 떨어졌어, 3대장의 급전. 보여줘야 해요, 걱정 대신 열정. 힘들어도 절대 할 일 없어, 변절. 철구여 아직은 쓰러질 수 없어. 수많은 버그 해도 수비는 철벽. 매번 패치는 롤러코스터. 지구를 삼킬 준비 완료가 된 모습. 준비된 개발자들 모여 전세계 마켓에 공격. 허접한 것은 안에 남다른 품격. 다른 이들 넉넉고 구경. 준비된 개발자들 모여 전세계 마켓에 공격. 허접한 것은 안에 남다른 품격. 다른 이들 넉넉고 구경.